Meaning of emblematic.
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 Emblematic. Emblematic means something that represents or symbolizes a particular quality, idea, or group. It can refer to an actual emblem or badge that represents an organization or cause, or it can describe something that is strongly associated with a particular concept or group. When something is considered emblematic, it serves as a clear and recognizable symbol of the larger idea or identity it represents. It may be used to inspire or motivate others who share the same ideals, or to highlight the significance of a particular event or movement.